Hello kids! Today we are going to learn a new lesson, that is Children of the Digital Age from lesson 4. Let's listen to the story. The story begins like this. When train chugged in at the platform, Granny got down and hugged her grandchildren. That is, a train reaches the railway station and Granny got down from the train and she hugged her grandchildren. These two children, that is Sonal and Kunal. Sonal is a girl and Kunal is a boy. And then she asked sorry to her grandchildren because the train was late. She thought that they were waiting at the railway station for a long time, but they have reached the railway station just 2 minutes ago. Because Kunal was tracking the train. Tracking means he was following the train online through his mobile phone. Sonal and Kunal taught their granny about online cab booking. They told about GPS on mobile phone. They told about this also. GPS means global positioning system and about location mode. This is their granny. They use this car to go home. This car is called white sedan. On the way, they are having some conversation. So, Sonal is giving some ideas to do some online shopping so that they can get their grocery items delivered before they reach home. Grandmother is expressing her wish to go for shopping to purchase raw materials, that is raw ingredients to bake some cakes and to make laddus, because the next day will be their parents wedding anniversary. So she has planned to do these sweet items. So these children, they were saying that doing shopping and all the works through smartphone is so easy nowadays. So you can do everything by online. Granny is asking to stop the taxi at an ATM to withdraw some money, to take some money. So Kunal is giving some ideas, that is to use the mobile wallet so that she can transfer her amount, transfer her money from her account to others account so easily. This is a grocery shop, that is a Maliha Jama. Okay, so you can buy all these grocery items here. And then she has planned to make laddus and cakes, I told you, know. So she's going to do like this. And then Granny is sharing her experience. That is when they were when she and grandpa were living in Jhansi. Jhansi is name of a place in North India. Grandfather used to hand over all his salary to her every month, and she will keep all those money in her locker. The locker had two compartments, one for savings. She used to keep her money in the two compartments, that is one for savings and one for monthly expenditures. Expenditures means the money which she used to spend to buy something. Exactly, Granny, the mobile wallet is like your monthly expenditure locker experiment. So Kunal says that it is the same. You can have your money safely like your locker. And even the street fruit vendor and ice cream kiosk, they even will accept this kind of payment. And in Jhansi also they will accept this kind of payments. He says like that. Okay, so my father and mother, dad and mom, they also used to transfer money, transfer our pocket money through through this mobile wallet, he says. You can also transfer some amount using mobile wallet, he says. So yes, yes, I will for both of you. So I will also give you some pocket money, she says. So granny says like this. Oh, it seems we are about to reach home. You children have enlightened me on digital apps during this cab ride. So, while coming through car, you have taught me many things. It was so useful. Um, I'll tell your grandpa also that he too needs to learn. So I'll tell your grandpa also to learn these things. He spent hours at the bank, standing and waiting in queues to manage our money, deposits, withdrawals, savings, investments, etc. It is quite tiring, and he isn't younger. So he has become old. Um, he don't want to. He doesn't want to waste his time. He doesn't want to stand in queues. So he should also learn this. It would be better if he learn all these things, she says. He chuckled Sonal. So Sonal is laughing. Chuckle means laughing. Okay. And Granny, you are going to meet a digitally smart grandpa today. Dad has taught him online banking, and now he does all his banking using a smartphone. He hasn't visited the bank even once. So nowadays he is doing all his works through mobile phone. He is not visiting the bank even once. Okay. Not even one time. He is not visiting the bank nowadays. He is doing everything through online. We have planned to move to Bhutan in 2 weeks. So he has booked all the tickets and utility bills. Even yesterday he paid all the utility bills. Utility bills means the current bills, home rent, everything through mobile wallet, she says. So it's really so convenient. Convenient means so safe. Going digital is very safe. So grandma says like this, and she is thanking her grandchildren. And you have made us tech savvy, she says like that. You made your grandpa and granny a tech savvy. And she says this by at the same time she is looking at the grocery items on her smartphone. So that's all about this. Thank you, children.